Now let's talk about the volume by volume percentage. What does mean? Let's take a simple case. Whenever you go in any pharmacy shop, say, I hope it was not, but sometimes, for example, you say fever or any cold cough, so you go to the your nearly pharmacy shop. Okay, now, so when the pharmacist gave you a bottle which has for example any medicine which solve the cough, so you see the level here is 10 weight by weight percentage. So what does mean? Let's understand this. So first we solve this. First we put the formula overall meaning. So the volume percentage, say volume percentage, okay, volume by volume, once again, that is volume by volume percentage. Okay, it means that volume of a compound which we want to find the percentage. So volume of compound, okay, upon total volume of solution into, since we know the percent 100. So when we talk about anything percentage, so percentage means the percent, okay, means 100. So in this case, that's why we use the 100 into multiply, and means the compound upon total, means this upon total into 100 is called the percentage. For example, let's say you go to the pharmacist and say, I have cough, sorry, say that you have cough. So the pharmacist gave you the medicine, for say the medicine name is XY maybe. So when you let's see, this is your medicine, I hope that's what. So you see that the label, it is 10% volume by volume at X compound. Okay, now you see 10% volume by volume of X means. So what does mean? It means that 10 ml volume means when we are talking about both solute and solvent are volume. Okay, now the 10% 10 ml of X is present in 100 ml of solution, say XY. So this line was the important for solving the questions. Means you learn thing, but the understanding why it does mean, it means when 10%, when means we talk about a percent, it means we talking about 100, means 100. For we say X percent, it means we talking about X in 100 into 100 means overall. So what does mean? It means we talking about X in percent. Okay, that's why we use the X in 100 ml. So always say anything the volume of the solution, but we only talk about the X ml in 100 ml solution. Okay, we know that the solute plus solvent makes solution. If we want to find the volume of solvent, we use this equation. So this is the overall, this is the important. That's why we always any book, any where you learn, we always say that this line is you learn students. So what is meaning of it is, so we talking about percent. Okay, that's why we talk about 10 ml is percent. For example, we say you have in a row of your candy, say 10 your candy of chocolate. So the 2% of candy means 2 chocolates in this overall 10. So that's why we say this overall say 100. So means this is the, that's why we use the 2 in 10. Okay, that's why this is 10 in 100. This is the meaning of it. Means 2%, 2 chocolates in 100 solid gram of the 2%. We talk about the 2%. We previous we talk about the weight by volume. So yeah, weight by weight percentage. So it means 2% of chocolate, that is 2 gram, 2 piece of chocolate in present in 100 gram of chocolate is, for example, in here the 2 pieces in 10 pieces, overall 10 pieces means 10 pieces, meaning overall it is 2 gram in 100 gram. That's mean, okay, it is the meaning of, that's why we call 10 ml present in 100 ml of it. So that if we solving it, we get the overall meaning of it. Means we solve for 10 100 10 ml, so we for 1000 ml we also solve for 10 say 1, so 1000 say 10. So now we use some question for understanding it. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So the question is, find weight by weight percent, volume by volume percentage of, let's compound X, say ethanol, whose volume is say 10 ml and is present in, say in 250 ml of water solution. So this is the question, hypothetical. So we want to find the volume by volume percentage of ethanol, the say we compound X in the 250 ml of water solution. So we the meaning of percentage, the overall that is the weight by weight, volume by volume percentage of X compound, it is equal to the weight of, first we talk the formula, that is a volume of compound, that is upon total volume into 100. So in this case volume of compound are 10 ml and total volume is 250 ml into 100. So it become, that is 100 divided by 25 become 4%. This is the meaning of overall, the 4% of X is present. Okay, so this means that is 4 ml of X, that is ethanol, is present in 100 ml of solution. Means this is the overall meaning of it. Okay, that is X is gram is present, X volume is present, X ml is present in 100 ml of solution. This is the overall meaning of it. Okay, that is the 4%. Okay, I hope you understand what I am saying. In next one second, let's say in HW. So in HW, you if you understand, if you not understand, watch it out, and if you understand, please explain yourself in using a white paper, anything else, using a pillow in front of you, and explain what you understand by weight, volume by volume, anything else. Okay, any subject. So make own question, if possible make more than 2. Okay, so using your own creation without cheating, create your own question and then solve. Okay.